I'm Steven Jack Butala. You may know me from Land Academy. Jill and I have decided to, very reluctantly, sell one of our newer toys, this truck camper. So I'm going to walk you through what it's about. We've decided to post it for maybe 1 or 2 weeks to see if we can sell it ourselves. Otherwise, we're going to consign it, which is quite frankly is a lot easier, but I have a ton of money into this thing. I have 135,000 bucks into this thing. All the bezels and whistles, suspension, as you'll see here in a second in the video, suspension, and just a ton of upgrades that make it a real comfortable and fun camping experience. We've got a new Versahall front tow receiver, and as you've seen, will see, or have seen in the pictures, I put a Honda XR650 on the front. Let's take a look at the truck. The truck itself is a 2007 Ford F-350 XLT diesel, 6.7 liter power stroke. 2017, but geez, it looks brand new. I don't know if this is going to come out in the pictures, but my detail guy who does all of our cars was shocked and amazed at the it truly looks brand new. We wouldn't have bought it otherwise. We bought it from a guy who's a supervisor at NIRVC. His name's Steve also, and he put the thing together this has happened about 6 or 7 months ago, and then we use it 5 times. Jill and I have a Class A RV that we just a Newmar Dutch Star, and we just like it more. It just works for us better. This is like somebody's dream. It's not ours, but geez, there's nothing wrong with it. And anyway, step inside. We put WeatherTech in. Starts right up. It looks, if this was at the dealership in 2017, it would look the same. And I'm not trying to sell anything here, it's just the truth of it. There's truly not a scratch on it anywhere. Inside and out. We'll get to the camper top in a second, which is much newer and purchased brand new. I hope this comes out. It's all new with regular service, and I have all the manuals, the history. I've got new things, tons of new stuff that comes with it, like these wind guards that just hasn't been installed. Truck's perfect. I could show you more pictures, but it is. We've got all torqueless accessories. If you know about these truck campers, that's the best brand. Certainly the most expensive, I know that. Let's take some looks at the camper. The camper is a 2023. Purchased brand new from the guy that I purchased the entire rig from. I have all the paperwork on it. Brand new. These are, I don't know, I think he paid around 60,000 for it. 70,000. So I'll walk you through the rest of this here. External shower, water intake. These are the stock batteries that came with it at the end of 2023. If you know, again, if you're into this kind of thing, everybody seems to upgrade to solar. We were going to do that, but didn't. Propane. My point in showing you all this is it's super clean in brand new condition. This rig has been out probably 5 total times. Twice by Jill and I, and he said maybe 3 or 4 times. Lots of spare parts. Generator's got maybe not 10 hours on it. Here's the highlight. Yeah, it's all brand new condition. Everything that you see in the video here comes with it. Dishes, glasses, Jill's idea of decor. It's truly unworn, unused. Pantry, pretty good storage for the size of this thing. Yeah, overall it's I think 25 feet, 26 maybe. Sorry for the audio, the air conditioner. It's nice and cool in here though, in Arizona. I guess it comes with salt and pepper too. Everything works. You can see the carpet's all clean. All right, there's a couple other cool things. As you'll see in one of the pictures here, we towed this Jeep with it. We also towed the same Jeep. Jeep obviously doesn't come with it. With the Blue Ox system that I have, and I have a whole spare Blue Ox system with the rig. And I'll show you that in a second. We've got the original gate in perfect condition. We've got all the original, we've got WeatherTech in there now. It's really been taken care of. We've got all the original floor mats. And then all the Blue Ox toys, and I bought this used actually, and used it once, and everything worked great, including the brake. Hey, thanks for watching. To wrap this up, like I said, we've got about 135,000 into it. I've only used it a few times. I'm going to list it for 2 weeks, just a regular, the equivalent of a classified ads, put it out on the internet. See how it goes. If you're the kind of buyer who has been looking for one of these things and you have sticker shock like the rest of us for brand new equipment, this is the answer. To replace this with the new truck and everything is well over $200,000. Oh, let me show you the towing too quick. But I'm not into tire kickers, and it has all kinds of suspension upgrades and a towing situation that failed to mention earlier, but I'm told this is as good as it gets. And so you can see down there, airbags. It's got airbags. See here. And a full suspension upgrade. And the guy that I purchased from is a manager at NIRVC. He works there. And he did not skimp on parts, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it.